Hi guys, Ralph here. Part 2 of the garage refurb. Now this is the end of March. Things have been ordered. However, you might have noticed behind me, if you actually know the orientation of the garage, that I've been busy. We get a delivery on Wednesday for the units. All the units. I've got the handles and I've got the hinges, which I can't do it with anyway without cupboards. So here is behind me. This is the new fuse box I put in, and there should be a big cupboard against here, and there isn't anything. So that wall needs wrapping. I'll show you the studio in a moment anyway. I've actually managed to do what I want to do with the dishwasher and the two freezers we've got. They're in the corner, they're out of the way, which means I can put a full work surface right from the corner all the way right into the corner. All my projects incoming has been completely moved, and here's the studio area. Still got the board. I have no cupboard above it, which I have the mount around about here to put the camera on, and it's kind of gone. It's outside, wants to be put in pieces. So it's yeah, we're back to a garage again. I mean, I've got everything's kind of stacked up on this back wall, which you can see where the white part ends up there, and it's that's where the wrapping stops. From there onwards, it's almost done. This bookshelf won't stay here because there's a corner cabinet going right in this corner, right down here anyway. So we're just waiting for cupboards at the moment. I mean, I can't do any videos apart from hold out at arm's length. Yeah, any little whatever videos. I've got things coming out. I've got the Star Trek Build Your Enterprise D kits coming out pretty soon. The new batch is coming, and there's other bits and bats I wanted to get on with, but I've got plenty of videos. It's okay. I've got videos recorded and done just in case this sort of thing, but I can't do anything. It's just a little work area, computer. Well, computer's over there and two monitors. For the minute, yeah, it's sad because I don't have anything at all in here, and all that wall needs to be done. Yeah, you can't see me much because it's too light in the background, but everything's gone. Absolutely everything is just destroyed. And I mean, it's nice having this nice little cramped area over here, which I can kind of talk to you guys with and show you bits and bats. And that's actually not a bad little corner, looking on the screen to my side and to you. So yeah, that's not really bad, but yeah, there's nothing over here. I can't do anything. So wait till the units have arrived, and then I can start fitting things in and getting sorted, get a little bit of normality back to the garage, and hopefully it all works well. Okay, another day come and gone. I've had the delivery, and surprisingly, since I want to document this, I've actually not recorded the delivery. I could put something on from a security camera outside the garage and show you them coming down the driveway with a pallet, but all the boxes came and they're right below where the camera is now. But as always, I'm a bit impatient. So I've actually already started. So this is the gardening side over here. Get out, there you go. So there's 3 cupboards there already. B&Q almost did really well. The worktops are here, the cupboards are here, the drawer packs are here, except for 3 doors. 3 doors are missing. So that kind of, they're coming next week from what this point is. But at least I can get everything done. Units can be fitted. I mean, we've got a garage door, everything's insulated and stuff, but we've got down here, the worktops arrived. The base cabinet that's where my drawer unit's going to go. That's the corner cupboard, which is going underneath all this lot. Cupboard there. I'm just starting another cupboard which is going to go here. So it's on the move, and everything's out on the driveway. But over here, at least it's not looking too bad. We've got certain bits already. I mean, there's the door with the drawer unit on top. But this is my other half's gardening area anyway. So at the minute, it's starting. It's finally starting. It's the movement of the crap out of here to try and get other things ready and move into this afterwards. So with the kids screaming outside, I'll quick cut and I'll go and carry on with the units. hopefully it should all be done sometime, maybe end of today, probably tomorrow, but then I'll start worktops and we'll just see how it goes from there. Right then, continuation, shall we say. Don't look behind, this is absolutely everything in the garage which is just stacked up, put over, and yeah, there's units behind there which are actually Amanda's units, that are her gardening section. But at the moment, we have got this area nearly done. We've got the worktops, well, the worktop is there ready to be cut, but we have got our the units. Got a corner unit, drawer unit. This is my little space here where I'll be sitting and doing videos and whatever else and fixing stuff up here on the worktop. So at the moment it's going pretty well. All I've got to do is I've got 3 pieces of worktop, which the other 2 are on the floor down here anyway, ready to be cut. One will go on top of here and the one will go over there on Amanda's gardening section. But at the minute, it's, yeah, we've not got a straight garage. It's a 5 metre length and 3 metre wide, but we have these supporting sort of bricks behind here anyway. There's one there and there's another one over here where I'm now. But it's kind of putting things right, putting them in the right place, cutting around them and making sure they don't cock up. So at the minute I've got this cut out here. I want to take a big ½ metre section off, which will go actually over this half of the corner section anyway. And this part here should be the cutout for there. Then after a cutout for the other side of the worktop as well, which is, I like doing this sort of stuff. I've done this as a job before, not worktops, but cutting plastic and measurements down to the millimetre, if not less than a millimetre. So I should be fine at this, but I don't know. Hopefully it'll all turn out pretty well. But at the minute, I'm just need to get on with doing the worktops. But that's the stage we are at the moment. The worktops are going in, so it's getting there. It's looking pretty good. Still, this corner bit is still looking fine. There we go, we're in the studio now, except don't look down. There's loads of crap and stuff. So, yeah, we'll carry on. Get this... Yeah, let's carry on and see what we can do. Now, another day, plodding along in the garage. It's got a bit of a milestone here. Set behind, well, the backing behind all the stuff. Lots of junk still. And we have a full 5 metre length of worktop, all fitted, all put in place. Cupboards are in, fridge and freezers are underneath there. Everything's in all the way up to the corner unit. My yeah, not very good camera work with the left hand, but yeah, the worktop surface is in, so hopefully get some wall units on. Well, actually, to be honest, I need to fill the cupboards up on here first with the stuff that's behind, which is all junk and crap over there. A lot of it going to the worktops anyway, on the wall units, should I say. And yeah, it all needs doing. There's a lot of stuff to do, but at least I've got the work area, and it's absolutely solid. You see, this is 2-3 metre lengths put together for a 5 metre span, and that join's actually not bad for me. It's a tiny gap, and this was an absolute nightmare to do, but it's in, it's done, it's happy, and to be honest, most of it will be covered by a bookshelf anyway, which goes on that wall there for my future projects and stuff. So far, that's my work area. That's where I'm going to be sat. Everything goes beyond right into the corner now for a change, instead of stopping here and that being wasted space, and that over there being wasted space as well. We've got good plans going on here, so all being well. Next phase is, yeah, stocking the cupboards underneath here, getting crap out of the way over there, and then starting on potentially wall, or potentially finishing off Amanda's side with her work surface as well. So bob on, we're going pretty well. Now, the end of another hard day working in the garage refurb. Now, so far it's slowly but surely going back into place. The fourth bookshelf is on the wall there now. I'm absolutely chock full of stuff. It's not organised enough that I can do something with. I mean, the unit's on there, it's back on there. All the work all the work surfaces are all down. I've even got this corner unit here which goes off towards there, and then the table's behind. All the, obviously, these parts haven't changed a bit. The junk on the side here is getting a little bit thinner, But at the moment, my biggest thing I need to do... Oh, by the way, Amanda's gardening section is now took up by everything that was on a case. I've got like cases for like if I'm doing decorating or plumbing or electrical work, anything, everything's got a box for it, so I can just grab hold of it and off we go. Quite simple in the house. The only thing that I'm actually waiting for now is bang behind me. It's the wall units. The wall units are made, they're in the house, and to be honest, I can't carry on filming at the moment because a simple reason, over here is where the actual cutting mat is. I've got some new cutting mats coming soon anyway. I'm not sure if I've got any stickers for the Retotech Ralph logo in the corner, but I'll work on that one anyway. Is the camera gets mounted to this cabinet here, and obviously that's not there, so I can't put the other top for doing whatever sort of workings out anyway. I mean, either if I'm desperate to do any filming, which I'm not at present, my Star Trek stuff, my tech stuff is still waiting, I suppose, so it's not really essential that I do anything at present. There's a few videos that are on backlog anyway, which is fine. They're all there ready for scheduling to be put on so you can see that. But at the minute, I can't actually do anything unless I put it on the camera on a tripod and look down and do whatever needs. So we're not bad. Once the wall units are in place, then yeah, we can start doing a lot more. But at present, it's not bad. I'm still working out certain bits. Actually, this worktop as well, we'll actually finish doing it today. It's a lovely kind of a wood finish, but it's a grey as well. But in the corners here, and there's some really good joins. Honestly, this is not... I'm really impressed on the joins I've done on this. And even out down here, there's a join in the middle here. Yeah, quick cut there. Yeah, for me, that's not bad, to be honest. Because I have got a few... Yeah... no patience, shall we say. So at the minute, we are waiting for certain things, and a little, well, whether I do a review on it or just yet, is I've started to get back into the Discovery ones again. There's a guy on eBay selling one for absolutely dirt cheap, so yes, that's going to be reviewed, but anything and everything in here just needs cupboards and then sorting out, putting back together, and everything be done. It's a good area. I mean, where I am here, it's just enough area to sit myself in. My heater's there just in case. It's just enough to get on the bench and off we go. But I've got so much more area to work on, to play on. So next step is definitely wall units. And then put away, tidy up, and we're nearly at the end of this. We're really so close at the end. I'm actually quite impressed that I've not killed myself yet with DIY sort of stuff. So, yes, let's... end the day and continue tomorrow, day after, maybe, don't know. Now, I've got a little bit of progress here. I have things behind the camera. Right, last day, well, today the working parts are, wall units are on. Behind me is still looking a bloody mess. And let me take you around a little bit, shall we? This is kind of, I've had to do a video now for one big reason, but I'll get to that in a bit. There's all the units on the end here which are done. That's the worktops. I think we went through yesterday with that unit went on there. The wall units are in. Now, the problem with this is my bookshelf for projects that are upcoming, things I might want to do with stuff. And I've had one big, massive, old-fashioned unit over here. Same on the opposite side as well. Is 1, 2, 3, and there's quite a big gap here. However, I have got, these are all 500mm wide units, and I wanted another one there, except from there to there is 49 centimetres. So I am 1 centimetre short, so either I could cannibalise another one of these and chop off 1 centimetre off of each one of these parts and put it up together again, or buy a 400 or put some shelving. I mean, you've got bits up there and nothing else major around, lightsabers in the corner, which actually do work rather well. So it's not really worth. I think I might put some shelving across there anyway, but at the minute I'm not going to bother. I'm going to leave that as is. It was an idea to do that, but I'll turn that off, you can see that in my glasses. But the thing with it is everything's come into place. I've got one unit here up ready. The problem with that is you put a bracket in, which is kind of, I'm not sure if you can see that in that corner there. That's the first bracket to the next units, which are all down here. 1, 2, 3. One of them was meant to go in the corner, and it's not. The other two was going on there behind me. Now the problem is this little fella. Now this little fella, this Black & Decker drill, has been with me since the 90s. In 30 years it's been with me. I actually nicked it from my dad, but it's I burned it out. Literally, this has been through absolutely everything I've done in all the houses I've had, but I finally burned it out, and a new one's on the way tomorrow, so I have to stop doing stuff in here, only for a day, to try and get the units back in place. But it's kind of, it's sad that I can't get the wall units on because I was in a rhythm of getting things done, and it's kind of a pain in the arse that I actually can't get things finished. But it's okay, I'll get things finished eventually. That's not a bad angle, to be honest. Yeah, so potentially we're going to wait till tomorrow's delivery of a new drill, the Bosch drill. I'm not going to do any unboxing video for that, it's a drill. Unless it's really funky or something, I don't know. But other than that, this is the end of part 2. So I'm going to leave you there. What I'll do is I'll get the new drill, get the new wall units on, set up, because this isn't set up for anything. I have the camera mount round about here, the camera that I'm recording on now, a lighting bar underneath here, all the bits and bats that I can use for the videos and filming stuff. But it's kind of, at the moment, waiting, and all the stuff is in boxes over here anyway, so tons of stuff, there's loads of stuff underneath, you don't see too much, but it's kind of just waiting. So with that in mind, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, follow me on social media, and I'll see you in another video. In part 3 will be the full reveal of the garage done. Bye for now.